Good morning. My name is Madhyarla Sandhya and I'm working under Dr. Devarajan Ramasamy in the Department of Mechanical and Automotive Engineering Technology. Today I'm going to present a paper on the topic Enhancement of Tribological Behavior and Thermophysical Properties of Engine Oil Lubricant by Graphene and Cobalt Chromium Nanoparticle Additives for Preparation of Stable Nano Lubricant. The table of the contents are Introduction, Objectives, Methodology, Results and Discussion, Conclusion, and References. Introduction. Lubrication is one among the foremost issues in manufacturing, transportation, and aerospace industry. Automotive engines are completely dependent on lubrication. Engine oil plays a vital role to keep running the engine with sustainability. The objectives of the article are to study the structure, characteristics, and uses of graphene, aluminum oxide, titanium oxide, nickel, and cobalt chromium in lubricants. To mix the graphene, aluminum oxide, titanium oxide, nickel, and cobalt chromium and base engine oil in correct concentration. To evaluate tribological characteristics of new nano lubricant and compare the data to show the tribological improvement. The final objective is to compare the changes of performance in different type of nano lubricants. Methodology. The methodology includes the selection of the nanoparticles followed by the graphene preparation and formulation of nano lubricants. The graphene is obtained in the form of graphene oxide and the vacuum oven has been used to make it into dry form. In this study, the commercial lubricant 1040 was used as reference oil or the base oil. This 1040 engine oil chosen because it is one of the widely used engine oil worldwide, and the 10 denotes for cold temperature and 40 denotes the hot temperature. The table here represents the physical data of sample-based lubricant 1040. The table represents the parameters, the methods, units, and the typical value of the lubricant oil. And the other table right side denotes the composition of graphene nano lubricant samples with the lubricant oil type, concentrations, reference oil, additives, and the solution. The sedimentation test for the stable solution of the mixture is necessary for the proper functioning of the nano lubricant, and achieving sufficient nano lubricant dispersion consistency is an essential problem for the implementation of nano lubricants in any application. Visual analysis has been carried out to conduct the sedimentation test for 1 month and further. The table denotes the experimental conditions for tribometer and the linear wear test and wound surface analysis at different load, speed, temperature, and concentrations. And the load conditions are 38.5 newtons and 98.5 newtons, speed at a RPM of 200 and 400, at a temperature of 25 degrees centigrade, and the concentration at 0.01, 0.03, and 0.05 weight percentage. Results and discussion. The image shows the prepared nano lubricant samples like cobalt chromium, aluminum oxide, graphene, titanium oxide, nickel. The different concentrations of the nanoparticles or the nano lubricants are shown here like 0.01, 0.03, and 0.05 weight percentage. The difference has been clearly indicated here for 0.01 weight percentage and 0.05 weight percentage. Thermal conductivity. The thermal conductivity for different nano lubricants at different weight percentages like 0.01, 0.03, and 0.05 are indicated in this image. And the figure A shows that the thermal conductivity as highest for cobalt chromium and followed by aluminum oxide with 0.2234 watts per meter Kelvin, and graphene shows the most gradual increment at 0.01 weight percentage and 0.05 weight percentage. The figure B and the figure C shows that cobalt chromium has the best value for thermal conductivity with 0.3429 watts per meter Kelvin and 0.3030 watts per meter Kelvin at 0.05 and 0.03 weight percentages at 70 degrees centigrade. Viscosity. The viscosity measurements for different nanolubricants at different weight percentages like 0.01 to 0.05 are shown in this figure, and the figure shows that the stability almost similar for cobalt, chromium and graphene. The figure indicates that the most stable reading is attained by cobalt chromium at 0.03 weight percentage and 0.05 weight percentage at varying speed. Viscosity at 0.03 weight percentage shows very critical to choose stable reading, but still can see that the cobalt chromium shows the most stable viscosity reading. The sum analysis of linear wear test of cobalt chromium at 0.03 weight percentage nanolubricants at different speed 200 rpm, 400 rpm and varying load conditions 38.5 newtons and 98.5 newtons has been represented here. With the same images, it can be clearly observed that the worn surfaces are there and it contains a layer of cobalt chromium after the linear wear test. EDX results of linear wear test at a load condition of 98.5 newtons and 200 rpm speed of cobalt chromium at 0.03 weight percentage enriched nanolubricants indicates in this figure, and the table contains the XRD analysis of cobalt chromium at 0.03 weight percentage at a load of 200 rpm at a speed of 200 rpm and 98.5 newtons load. This table indicates that the chromium and cobalt were found with the highest weight percentage as 6.610 weight percentage and cobalt at 36.212 weight percentage respectively. In this image, EDX results of linear wear test of cobalt chromium at 0.03 weight percentage and at a speed of 400 rpm and 38.5 newtons of load, and the table indicates that the chromium reduced to about 26% and the chromium has been reduced to about 31% with a value of 4.868 and 24.774 weight percentage. In this image, the EDX results of linear wear test of plain aluminium plate at a speed 400 rpm and at a load of 38.5 newtons has been analyzed, and the table indicates the composition of elements present by EDX analysis of plain aluminium plate, and the results indicate that because of the wear and the friction, the carbon is found and the aluminium is found because of the friction plate and the aluminium alloy, and oxygen was found due to the decomposition. The conclusions made after several observations is that the tribological and thermophysical properties of engine oil were improved by the addition of nanoparticles like graphene, aluminium oxide, titanium oxide, nickel, and cobalt chromium. It is also observed that the thermal conductivity has been increased with an increased concentration of nanoparticles with the stable oil viscosity. The anti-wear mechanism can be due to the accumulation on the wound surface of graphene, aluminium oxide, and the other nanoparticles, which in turn reduced the resistance to shearing and thus improved the tribological characteristics. The experimental studies have confirmed that the deposition on the fluid layers of the nanoparticles have improved the tribological properties of the base lubrication oil, showing a decreased wear and friction wear rate. The aluminium alloy was observed to increase with an increased load value over time for the wear resistance. As cobalt chromium 0.03 weight percentage has been chosen as the most successful among other experimented nanoparticles with nanolubricants. These are the references. Thank you.